Hi, I'm Jamie, and welcome to New Home Lifestyles, showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today we're with CityMark Development in Riverside, California at CIRCA on Mission. We'll be taking a look at Plan 1. Let's get started.
All right, welcome guys. We're here on Mission Avenue in front of CIRCA, our new development here. We're walking distance from Mount Rubidoux. We're also walking distance from the new library that they're building right now and also the historic Mission Inn. Here at CIRCA, we have 13 unique townhomes, 2 different floor plans priced in the mid-400s. Let's take a look inside, guys. And welcome to the downstairs floor of your unique CIRCA home. We have an open floor plan which connects the living room to the dining room and the bathroom, as well as a half bath downstairs. Also downstairs we have adequate storage with a coat closet that goes under the stairs for more room. We also have a 2 linen closet cabinets and a half bath, as well as extra storage in our 2-car garage. And welcome to upstairs. We've got the nice big hallways. We've got all 3 bedrooms upstairs, as well as 2 full baths and your washer and dryer units up here as well. Welcome to bedroom number 1. It offers a full-size closet as well as enough room to accommodate a queen-size bed. And on our way to our second bedroom, you'll see here that we have another full bath upstairs with the dual vanity, nice tile. And as we enter the second bedroom, similar to the first, has enough room to accommodate a queen-size bed. It's got a full closet and everything that you could ask for. And welcome to the master bedroom. As you can see, we've got a nice big walk-in closet, as well as the ensuite dual vanity bathroom, everything you could ask for. Each of the 13 units have their own outdoor living space, some of them bigger than others, like this one you see here.
To learn more about this community, click the link in the description and stay tuned for more new home showcases.